So right now we've got all the lights on in the garage. We've got the 2 lights and we've got the 2 garage door opener lights on. And it's okay. You can kind of see right now. It's kind of like the ambiance is good for like romantic videos and stuff, right, Mason? But we're gonna see what this bad boy right here can do. So yeah, off, low. How about we try max? Okay, so Mason, you're not scared of heights, are you?
Like super high ones, but not that.
So medium heights are okay?
Yeah.
Cool, let's see what this does. Okay, I'll hold it. Hold on, let me grab the camera. You good? So there's the average generic less effective light bulb.
Try this way.
Eventually.
I think I got it.
All right, let's see what happens. Oh, it worked. So if that's not impressive enough, there's actually 4 mini light pods that we're gonna attach to the main light. So once again, let's try this one more time. This was the before.
Flashback.
They're gonna help us get our garage setup dialed.
End of flashback.
And this is the after. The garage looks much better. I'm impressed, guys. I'm happy with the result. It was super easy. It took me like 2.5 seconds to get these lights up, but then again, I had Mason's help. So without his help, it probably would have been more like 7 or 8 minutes, but super easy to install these lights, more bright, more welcoming. So I think it's gonna help the quality of the videos in the future.